So this is the live stream 28, I believe. Let's just have a look here. Live stream 28. So times are still not in sync with US daylight savings. We can see here, looks like we had some news, 8:30 Eastern Standard Time. Market opened around about here. Had a brief move up, couldn't take out the highs from the news. Had a sell-off all the way down to 18,200. Pulled back to 340, and that's a pretty decent range there. Before settling into this smaller range at the moment, below this higher low. So we've had the move attempts lower, currently closing above there. Looks somewhat bullish here as we've closed back above the level. So just gonna go long.
Order submitted.
Hold on a second, that's long 6.
Order filled.
My word, I went long 6 minis. Goodness me. Let's try it again.
Order submitted.
Let's see if we can get back these losses that we just incurred.
Order filled.
There we go. So recovered those losses that we just incurred. So that was long micros, but instead I was long minis. Let's recover those losses there. Let's just have a look here. Let's see. Okay. Interesting. So, say the trade would have worked out. Looking for a close back above the level for a move up, but because I was in 6, decided to get out. It's not really part of our main strategy. It was more of an intuition trade. Oh, look at that. Prices came down towards a level there, 262. Pretty much perfect test. We are pulling back towards the moving averages. Moving averages here. We are looking bearish here, and these are moving averages. So we came in bearish, sold off, came up, counter resistance, sold off again, found some support there, seeing this bullish buy side momentum. Seeing the bullishness of the 262. You can see here prices went into 262s, sold off all the way down to 204. Fairly sizable sell-off right there from the 262s. 58 points, fairly sizable. Came up, consolidated, broke out, tested the 338s, another level right there, before pulling back to the 262s again. So it's a fairly decent range, even though we are ranging, because from that 38 to 62, that's 74 points, fairly sizable. So we are on our micros here. Still need to do some not sure whether to trade the range or the trend strategy. The trend strategy being a moving average cross strategy. Although the last signal would have been all the way back around news. Let's see what's happening with volatility here. Currently at 12 on the ATR. Had this pullback here from moving average there, posted a pin bar, maybe closed bullish, so continuation from here. We're looking for a move up towards that 23. Failure, of course. Looking for a move back down to about 76.50. Looking at VIX. VIX is in a sell zone. So we had the news. VIX is trended upwards. Okay, let's see. Where are we? Oh wow. So there was a short some time ago. There was a short over here that would have worked. And that's on the moving average cross system. Secondary signal all the way down to that 262. Seems we've got a level here, 297. Got a level at 297. Should put it in. 297.25. Not really a fan because it's somewhat tightens their window here. You can see prices came down, tested it before heading towards that 36. So I'm gonna look here. Interesting. So I'm just going to have a look here. Range strategy. So I'm just going to it's our high to low range here. So from the open to the lows, 194 points, which is a fairly sizable range. Normally that's enough to trend. Let's see, so there was a range strategy sell-off signal. Not sure if I want to take it. Let's see. Stop a little bit away. Stops quite a bit away. The negative risk reward. The stop will be quite a bit away. Got negative risk reward. I should have come down. Currently holding below.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
So I'm now short. Let's see where I'll get out. Let's put that there for now. Let's bring this down. Let's change that a bit. Again, it's not a great area. Let's see. Let's see. Let's change this a bit. Put it at 73. Let's see, so we've gone down to 80. Don't think I wanna thinking about, you know what, I've got a late entry anyway, so I'm just going to adjust my stop to break even though it's not part of the system. I don't want to risk all the way up to
Order failed.
11 there. So it went in my favor quite a bit. Could have probably been a bit more aggressive with this stop, but it was a late entry, so wasn't willing to give it all the room it needed. Seeing this strong move here, the level at 97.25. Seeing strong move here. No, I'm not going to take it. Looks like I would have been stopped out. You know what, the risk reward on this is pretty good, so
Order submitted.
short 6. Short 6 micros, primarily because the risk reward is good. Risk reward is good, so I've gone short, adjusting my stop to break even. Might be strangling the trade a little bit here, but just in the stop to break even. May get stopped out again. Got that level there at 97.25. We'll see if we get this flush down towards the level I'm looking at here on the 6F. We'll see if we hold this moving average here, if we keep selling here. Looking for that move down to 73. So I'm just going to keep my stop where it is at the moment. Where is it? Oh boy. Let's keep it where it is. Let's see. I've been bought up here. Let's see, how far are we away? 17 seconds to close. Just bringing my stop down a little bit, make a new high, be getting out. Still being bought back up here. We'll see. Making a new high, be getting out. Let's see what we do here. Let's see if the sellers come in. Retested these highs. So just seeing 12 points flash there. Let's see if we pick up the remaining 13 points here. Good strong candle developing here. Coming to retest these lows. I'm just gonna drive my stop down to the open of that candle. Good move through the lows. Retesting these lows here, breaking the lows. Wouldn't want to see it come all the way back. Want to see it break these lows. Just broke those lows, 50% of the candle. We want to see it come all the way back. Looking for that move down to 73. Still hanging around a little bit here too much. Just threatened to go higher. Higher again. Just going to take
Order filled.
It's going to take that. Know that we're looking at that 73, but I'm too worried about this big candle. Price is retracing too much, but who knows, in hindsight it looked like I was a bit too quick off the draw there, but just decided to take that. Ultimately looking for that move down to 73. It's just right there. Who knows? Maybe we'll get 73 and I would have hit my target for the day. and it would look like a bad decision getting out at around 82, but it's a big candle. Price is hesitating around these lows, decide to get out. This was a 6F trade, and I happened to get it because I like the risk reward. Looks like that. There we go. If I was a bit more patient, would have hit target. This should have been taken on a 2-minute chart, but okay, so that should have been taken on a 2-minute chart, but so prices went down to 73.50 right there, so 2 ticks away. 2 ticks away from the target of 73. Look at that, good strong bullish buy side momentum coming. Good strong bullish buy side momentum, quite a bit of buying there. So from that 73.50 we closed at 95. Wow, it's like 20 points right there. Over 20 points from the lows to the high. So it's a very big range of a candle. Good thing I'm trading micros here. So prices have come up. Let's just see where we are. 97.25, rejecting it again. Pulling back from it. I find this price action here. Again, pulling back from that 97.25. 9 seconds to go. So selling, selling, selling. If I was to go short here, stop would have to be up there. Looking for a move down for 78.50. Lower highs there. So I definitely could have looked at taking a short here. You know what? I'm just gonna reset a little bit. Just gonna have a little bit of a reset. It's got our lows. Can't really call any of these a high or low yet, because we've had a low there and we've broke it, so can't really call any of them a high or low. So we'll just force a little bit of a reset here. Force a little bit of a reset. We made new lows there. We made higher highs, so this thing could still fall. There is a bias to the bearish side, but I'm going to try and push my luck a bit. I'm just going to try to stay patient here. Especially being so close to the daily target. Just going to check to make sure I don't have any more orders sitting out there. No orders sitting out there now. Let's just have a look. Let's see. See again, we seem to be struggling around this moving average and the 97.25 there. We've got to be careful. Got a lot of buying, got a lot of consolidation buying from this zone. So I suppose if we're looking at this from a volume profile point of view, and we were to draw a box to encompass all the chop where the volume may have likely taken place, that's where it would. So this is probably likely a high volume area on the volume profile, even though I'm not, even though I don't have one on my charts. Again, we've come up to 97.25, and again we're seeing selling here. So the level keeps being tested and rejected. Let's see. 73. Not a fan of the level being tested as much as it has. because ultimately we have buying in this zone here below. So this is likely a high volume area. Okay. Let's see. Test it. Tested and keep rejecting this 9725, but haven't broken these lows. Gotta be careful here. This stream's actually longer than yesterday's stream. And I haven't confirmed what time it is in the United States. Let's see what the time is in the Eastern time zone. Let's see what time it is. It's currently 11:56 New York time. 11:56. So we're heading up to lunch. Having difficulties around this 97. Again, retested it, rejecting it. Really thinking about taking a short here off the level, but prices keep going back. You can see these wicks here. Buyers keep going back and testing it over and over and over. Overall trend for context, we're in a range. Sharp move down, fairly sharp move up. We've been in a range pretty much since, even though we broke the lows there. Been in a range. Let's see where we are. I think I'm just going to stay patient here till we break the range. Just stay patient. Yeah, we'll stay patient. I think it's called order flow tools or something or other. Order flow, volume profile, add it, apply. Okay. What is this? What is this? Oh, okay. Interesting. So, just as we were saying, point of control, it said there's a lot of volume through this area. That's pretty much where point of control is. Where we are. So, let's go. Let's see. Goldenrod, point of control. Okay. Point of control. Can we change that to 2? Let's apply that. Let's change that to 4. Apply. Okay. These are your value areas. Let's change these to 4 as well. Apply. Okay, so seeing that break to the upside there. So we've got the point of control, got the value areas. Let's add another one. Need a bar countdown, bar timer. I'm going to add that. Apply. Let's see what else we need to do. Again, we did say may break that 97.25. It looks like we're doing it. And let's go back down to order flow tools. Order flow, volume profile. We're going to add that, apply. The second volume profile, we are going to put it on the right. So how do we do that? Right, apply. There we go. Oops, a daisy. Okay. There we go. So we are in you know what? I'm gonna take those off. Let's take off the most recent one. Remove. Apply. Keep this one. Seeing this move up here. Above that 97.25. Back to our chart. So that's the thing. Even without having volume profile, you know, I could recognize these areas that we spent a lot of time, maybe an area where we would see the point of control, and that's pretty much what we saw here on the market. So not really a value profile trader. So seeing market head up here. What else is this? I see 16 range chart. What charts we've got? Okay, we're seeing gold sell off, likely off the news. Oil's above 80. Wow. So oil's above 80 and still going. We've got gold, RTY, big sell off. It's trying to recover a little bit here. NQ. Oh, hold on a second here. I may have a short. Gotta be extra careful though. You know what? Let's clear this up. How much is this? NQ. No, let's just trade it with M and NQ. We may have a short here, but gotta be careful. Got to be careful. Got to be careful here. Problem with oh my word, the problem with taking this short is at 97.25. This candle's taking up the entire range. It's all the way down to the PO. Get this thing off the charts, please. Get this thing off the charts. Order flow, get it off the charts. 12 seconds to go. This candle is taking up the entire range. Oh my word. Wow. I'm just going to go.
Order submitted.
Fortunately, this candle's taking up the entire range. Let's see. So let's see if we go down to that 73. Let's drag our stop down. Again, we're shorting down into an area that we've had so we're seeing that selling. I'm going to adjust my stop to break even right there, and that's because we're in a high volume
Order
area.
filled.
Oh goodness me. too aggressive on the stop right there. Far too aggressive. Ended up losing right there. Oh, and look at this. Now the market's going to go in my favor. Down towards that 73. God, goodness me. Too aggressive. Should have respected the stop. Oh, there it goes. Should have respected the stop. Straight through 73. There's a target. Would have been hit. Would have been done for the day. Oh, goodness me. Right there. Target would have been hit. Hold on. It's the wrong chart I'm looking at. So it would have been short there. Target would have been hit. Would have been done for the day. But not done for the day. Oh, hold on a sec. Oh no. It was actually a talk about a litany of errors. There was actually a moving average short right there. Secondary entry. That too would have, yeah, that would have got us to our daily target as well. Let's see. Let's see what we're doing here. So this one is 32. This one is 32. It brought it down to 36.50. So that would have taken us down to 36.50. Let's see, 36.50. So the moving average cross setup would take us down to 36.50. That's what the target is on that one. Thing is, I don't want to short through this 262. Looks like we rejected it.
Order submitted.
I'm just gonna go short. $36.50. Okay. It's gone in my favor. Adjusting my stop to break
Order
even.
cancelled.
What's happened there? Just gonna
Order
close it there.
filled.
Just gonna close it there. I'm not sure what happened there. What happened there? I'm not sure what happened. I'm unsure what happened there, so I just heard a order cancel.
Order filled.
What? What in the world? I'm not sure what's happened here. Still trying to figure it out. What happened? Am I going to have to? See, I'm looking for that 36.50, but I'm unsure what just happened there. And I don't really, and I've come out of the trade, I don't really want to get back in. I really don't want to get back in, even though the target's down there at 36.50. We'll see if we get 36.50, but we'll see if we get 36.50. that's what level is on the moving average cross system. But after hearing those orders sounds, I was thinking, well, what's going on here, kind of thing. So it's kind of discombobulated me a bit. Well, not should use a different term. Just confused me a little bit here, taken me out of my element. I think I might have gone through too many contracts. That's probably what's happened on my copied account. Again, we're seeing more selling here. More selling out of that zone. Looking for that 3650. Let's see what's happened here. Where would you? Where would I find that out? I'm trying to figure out. Where would that be? Need to plug in the battery. Remembered what happened last time. Let's see. So retesting at 262. How do you know if? Let's see. So we're rejecting it at the moment. What's the? Oh, goodness me.
Order submitted.
Oh, missed it. Absolutely missed it. So took it off the rejection of that, what appeared to be a rejection of that 262. So looking for more selling here. Down towards that 3650. Well, that's not what we want to see. It's definitely not what we want to see.
Order filled.
Gain up for a loss right there.
Order submitted.
Break the highs and gain back out. Now, what's going on here? Oh my gosh, can't even see the charts properly. What in the world? Oh, this keeps getting
filled.
Keeps getting bought back up.
Order submitted.
Goodness me. Breaks the highs, I'm getting back out. Why isn't this breaking down? I'm looking for the breakdown here, down to 3650. All I seem to be doing is giving back profit here. They seem to be buying.
Order filled.
Getting out. Goodness me. Goodness me, what am I doing? What am I doing?
Order submitted.
I'm gonna go short. Stop down at 36.50. Who knows, this is probably where it's going to turn around on me. Now I've decided not to get out. It's probably going to turn around on me and take out those highs. Huh.
Order filled.
Gonna add there. Looking for that move down to 36.50. Who knows, maybe I should have took the so I'm currently long 12 micros. Just had that spike up. These spike ups are not what we're looking for. Let's see if we take out those lows. No, just took out those lows.
Order filled. Order submitted.
So I'm now short 18. Ah, goodness me. It's not what we want to see. It's not what we want to see. How many seconds? 8 seconds.
Order
Short
submitted.
again.
Order submitted.
Let's see, can I get some of these contracts out? Just seems to be incessant buying. Let me have a look at my oh goodness me. Let's see. Let's see.
Order submitted.
All of these wicks suggest that sellers keep selling this market down despite the buyers buying it up. The sellers keep driving it down. And this candle here is another candidate for it. Of course, if I fill a couple of these orders here, I'm looking to cancel this one. I came pretty close just then. Goodness me. Let's see what we do here. So we are still in the bearish area. Still in a bearish, bit of a bearish zone. Moving averages look bearish, pointing downwards. We're below VWAP. Got a series of lower highs. Come on. How close was that? 49, I'm out at 48. Oh goodness me, was that really a tick away? Goodness me. 49.50, I'm looking to get out 48. Oh goodness me.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Makes you wonder now, doesn't it? Can I pick up 57.75? So we've come into this moving average.
Order submitted.
It's going to put
Order
somewhere
submitted. Order submitted.
buy if we get back through, back to that open of that candle. Let's see if we can get 64 here.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Okay.
Order submitted.
Now I'm in some trouble. I'm in 42. I'm in 42. This market does not look like it's turning around. This market does not look like it's turning around one bit.
Order submitted.
Thing is, the market didn't even get to 37.50. Let's move our stop to 37.50, our target. So this comes down to not wanting to take a loss. Not wanting to take a loss. That's what this ultimately comes down to. Not wanting to take a loss.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Not wanting to take a loss. Now I'm in this reversal, and I'm sure the reason I used, which was the moving average cross secondary signal to get in, even though I got in very late, I'm sure the opposite signal has been posted right now, which would have been an exit signal. But here I am. Here I am about to lose an account. Simply not wanting to take a loss as this market reverses here. So I shorted there at 85, looking to get out at 83 on 6 of the contracts. Actually, what chart am I looking at? I'm actually looking at a 2-minute chart. And despite seeing the wicks on the 2-minute chart, the market still looks incredibly bullish. We'll see if I get out at that 73.25. I was in trouble once I seen this candle here. I just knew I was in trouble. So having more difficulties around this moving average here. Can we see the move down to 73.25? All the mistakes of the past, moving stops. Not going to add any more. I'm already up to 48 contracts, so I'm not going to add any more until I at least get out of down to that 73. Moving average cross would have had us out already. Currently rejecting at 97.25, but let's see here. Sixteen seconds to go. Do take a short here. I'd have to put a stop
Order filled.
at the highs.
Order submitted.
And I'll place a take
Order
profit
submitted.
right there at that moving average. So for rejecting at 97.25 off that candle, look at that. So 97.50, so 98.50. We'll see. see here if we get down to that. Looks like we're going to be stopped out. Yep, stopped out.
Order canceled.
Order canceled.
Okay.
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
So close for a big loss. Close for a big loss right there. Very big loss. So right through here, looking for that moving average cross target. Got in very late, being close to the daily target, adding to the losing position all the way to this point. As we can see, very big loss. $50 points.
Order submitted.
I'm just gonna go
Order
short,
filled.
and that's based on the possible rejection of that 97.50 again. Stop at the highs. Just had a flash down to plus 9 points. So just gonna trail my stop to break even. Just gonna trail my stop to break even there. There's a target. targets there. Where's the, where are we on the day? Down 50 points, so 180. Let's see. $119. That wouldn't even work. I'll need to double the position. Looks like it's going to be stopped out for break even. Seems there's no more sellers in this market.
Order filled.
And we're stopped out just there. Oh wow. So we're stopped out to the tick. Seeing this move down.
Order submitted.
Oh, this isn't gonna work, is it? Let's see, is it gonna bloody work?
Order filled.
These big stops don't work. So of course I get stopped out, then it goes. Goodness me. Of course I get in late, get stopped out, and now it's working for that move down to 262 from 91. Of course. Of course.
Order submitted.
Looking for a stop above this candle here for a move down to that 262. Market that's heading down. That shouldn't be happening. Get
Order
out.
failed.
Should just be following through to the downside. Add this bullish candle. Add this move upwards. Makes you wonder, doesn't it? Let's go with no. Okay.
Order submitted.
Okay. Let's go. Let's go.
Order
You want to play long?
failed.
You want to play long? Let's go. Oh, of course, now it's not going to blooming work, is it?
Stop failed. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Let's go.
Order failed. Order submitted. Order failed.
Let's go. Oh, for flip's sake. Come on. Where is that?
Order submitted. Stop failed.
Are we being for real right now? Oh my bloody word.
Order submitted.
It's going long. Let's see if we retrace this entire candle. Just trying to get a win. Can we get to 72.50? Looks like we can. What's going on here?
Order failed.
Looks like I've been liquidated here.
Order submitted.
Yeah.
Order submitted.
Yeah.
Order failed. Order submitted.
Oh goodness me. So that count's gone.
Stop failed.
There we go. The count's gone.
Order submitted.
What's going on here?
Target filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Stop filled.
Yeah, we're gonna end it there. So a bad day in the office, and primarily straight and moving average cross. Moving average cross, secondary signal, which was at I believe this one here. Yeah, got in late, came into this looking for the level. Well, the target level would have been around 36.50. Came in, made a lot of trades through here, got frustrated, kept adding to the loser, closed above the level, didn't get out, kept adding, and ultimately I had too many contracts. So after seeing number of contracts exceeded, I exited, not quite at where my original stop was. Not long after I exited, of course, the market sold off and would have filled most of the a lot of the short contracts that, well, these contracts anyway, that I had entered short. So although I shouldn't have been added to a loser, there was the opportunity to get out, and that opportunity was right over here at 81, and I got out up there at 50s. So now look at the market heading back into what would have been the area where, of course, I could have profited. But it wasn't to be, so this account is lost, another account lost. And that's it. But it's super interesting if we come all the way down here to where I started short, well, where the last short was, looking for that breakdown to 37.50. But it is what it is. It is what it is. Yeah, I've had enough of watching this. Thanks for watching.